Okay, before I get started here on the next IPO that I'm looking at, come over to ZTRADEZ.net, check out our terms and conditions page. If you agree to it, feel free to watch this video. If you don't agree to the terms and conditions, then do not watch this video and do not join the community below in the description or our newsletter. I've gotten all of these on the top. There was an article that was going around recently talking about how it was clickbait, just like the Airbnb article like about two and a half years ago that was talking about how Airbnbs are losing everywhere, but it was actually talking about outside of Austin. And it was a clickbait article, and this was a clickbait article that's been being passed around everywhere. Everybody's arguing with me, and it's like I personally got in all of these, and a lot of people with me did as well. They were judging IPOs from their release price and or the high on that day to where they are now. If we look at bullish BLSH, it released around what, like 84 or 90, and it went to 118, and now it's at 68. So if you look at that, you're like, whoa, the thing was at 90 and now it's at 68. It's like, well, I got in on the IPO. I was assigned at 37 and it's at 60. I'm up, right on around 100% on this still. So Circle. Oh my gosh. I got in that at 38. Look how high that thing went. Got in Reddit. I don't know where I was on this. Got an ARM. Don't know where I was on this. Instacart came with warrants. So I really wasn't excited about that one. Robinhood I got. I did not get in this. I should have been in that. But the pizza place, I'm pretty sure that's what this is. I'm good on that. Sweet Green, I'm good on that. I mean, I'm looking for tech. I'm looking for tech. I'm looking for AI. Anything to do with any of that, that's what I'm looking at. Fintech, that's what I want. So I've got a lot that I'm watching and I'm monitoring. There's a couple. I have my eyes on Stripe, on Databricks, but I have one that's coming out very soon. And so I have to figure out if it's going to be a long-term hold, a mid-term hold, or a short-term hold. But according to, this is just a quick article I've read. There's better articles out on this company. Netscope, it may be for the shorter or midterm. So cybersecurity unicorn Netscope files for IPO. I'm going to read this live with you guys. Cloud security provider Netscope on Friday filed for an IPO, joining a growing number of tech companies planning to go public after Labor Day. When IPOs all start to do very well, it seems like almost Circle kick things off, but a lot of them like to go public around this time. And we're heading into Mr. Too Late being out, and Orange Man wants rates at 1%, the Fed rate at 1%. That is a fantastic environment for companies to go public. Fantastic. I just wish XAI, Anthropic, Perplexity, SpaceX, I could go on forever. Discord would all just hurry up and IPO, but it looks like Stripe and Databricks are maybe, I'm going to be doing more research, maybe the next in line. The big picture, Netscope is losing money, but that's been true for most of 2025 tech offerings minus Figma. What they've also had in common are climbing revenues. Let's just go over this real quick, and I'm going to talk about my plan here. Netscope reports 169.5 million net loss on 328.5 million in revenue for the first half of 2025, compared to a 207 million net loss, right? Compare these two, on 251 million in revenue for the first half of 2024. Zoom out, Netscope's rival Rubrik was one of the few big tech IPOs of 2024, and since has seen its stock price climb around 175%. So after Labor Day is coming up very, very, very soon here. I'm pretty sure that's next week. I am probably going to be getting in this. I just really hope that I have brokers everywhere that offers IPOs. So no, Webull does not offer them. Yes, they do, but they don't. Go ahead and go ahead and knock your socks off. You're going to get one share. Robinhood, SoFi, um, Schwab, E-Trade, Fidelity. I have brokers at all of those because I want. Sometimes they don't pop up on all the brokers. I don't know why that is. Fidelity is one of the best brokers for IPOs, in my opinion, and it's the lowest hold time, 14 to 15 days. Fact check me on that. It's either 14 or 15. So I'm going to have to decide if this is a short term or a midterm hold, which I will, and you all will know in the Discord. So I'm going to have my eyes peeled on this, and I want to have my brokers ready to go, and I want to be ready to be in this for post Labor Day, whenever that's going to happen. So I'm excited about this. I really wish Jim and I would hurry up. I really wish Databricks would hurry up. I really wish Discord would hurry up. Stripe, Anthropic, Scale AI is nowhere near doing anything, but Microsoft is all over them. What's another one that should be IPOing soon? I know that Stripe may do it late this year, if not early next. We'll see if anything changes. The problem, which this is going to be a separate video on getting in on the private markets, is you don't know how long you're going to be holding it. It could be till like 2029. It could just stay private for, you still have the option to get out on the private markets, but it's not as easy as hitting a sell button when it's public. So be on the lookout for that. I'm going to be updating you guys on this in the Discord under the IPO section. Those of you that have full access or the equity role or any of the higher tiered roles, the annual or the life role, will be able to see me do this live. And you guys saw what I did with BLSH and Figma and Circle. Arrow, I didn't get assigned any share. I got assigned a little bit, but that was very annoying. Reddit, you all saw what I did with that one as well. So be on the lookout for this. Netscope, be ready. If you guys like this content, make sure to like and follow for more.